Hey guys, SerpentX here. This time I wanted to give you a quick tip for all of those out there that are trying to build a mining rig, basically spending hundreds of dollars, sometimes almost $200. Basically this guy right here, 13 bucks. The riser cards, obviously, I think you get a pack of them for around 40 bucks, 8 count or 6 count, something like that. I got mine for 30 bucks for 6 and I already had a couple on me. So these are some regular generic Home Depot or Lowe's painter sticks, and basically what you can do is get a riser card, connect it to the bottom of your GPU, butt that against the end here and see where the riser card is going to sit, your 4 screws. I only put 2 in each one for quick replacement, because in case one of these are bad, go out, I want to replace them real quick. So only 2 screws, but basically you can see I got about a 1/4 inch of room for a screw, and then I got plenty of room up here on the front, and most of the weight's going to be on the front, so I double stacked 2 rulers right here and then 1 in the back, which isn't going to have much weight. And if you notice, this is a micro ATX case, so it will pretty much fit any case if it's laying down on its side. So what the theory is that I'm gonna mount that across the top there and use some zip ties to mount it, to keep it stationary, and then maybe some more zip ties on the edge at the bottom. And I'm actually gonna use the screws for where the case would go for some zip ties of this size. So if you want to build a cheap mining rig setup and you have a case that you can use, this will be perfect. And most motherboards, I believe, only have, if it's a micro ATX, you're only going to have one 16x or by 16 slot and 2 by 1 slots. So what you can do to expand, and by the way, that's 7 risers, so that's going to hold 7 GPUs. But if you don't have a motherboard that can support more than 7 or more than 3, something like this. I'm going to test this out here in a little bit. I got another 1070 on the way, but this guy will take a by 1 slot and split it up into 4, so I can run 4 GPUs off that. I am going to test the hash rate compared to direct connection individual to all 4 on 1 and see how the hash rate impacts how long this is gonna last. That heatsink doesn't look like it would do too much, but we're gonna see how this thing does. This is how you can get a micro ATX motherboard, or maybe even a mini ITX board, and at least get 4 cards up and running on it. Or if you have a regular ATX board and you have 5 to 6 slots, you can get the last few out of that last slot. So if you got 6 and you have 8 cards or 10 cards, you can put this in the last slot and get 4 more room, depending on your operating system. Whether it's Linux is going to be over 8, Windows is only going to be able to hold 8. So, and that's Windows 10. I think 7 can only hold 6, and 8 can hold, I could be wrong about this, I think 7 is 4, and Windows 8 is 6, Windows 10 is 8, and then Linux, I believe you can do 10 or more, depending on your operating system, like either OS or something like that. So, quick and easy, cheap mining rig that you can take an old case and have multiple GPUs. If you did it right, you could probably fit 8 on here and max out your rig, but I got 7 here, and I'm probably going to have one directly connected into the 16X slot below it, and try to get some fans to stack on top of it. I'll show you the finishing result when I get to it, but hopefully this helps you out. Instead of spending almost $200 on a mining rig on Amazon or wherever else you get it. If you are interested in an official metal mining rig, there are plenty of plans out there, including cryptomine.com and a couple others, but you can find them. So if this helps you out in any way and helps you save some money, like, share, subscribe, or comment below, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.